Hey everyone, today I'm going to be installing the REDARC Tow Pro Liberty brake control unit in my 2023 Honda Ridgeline. So here is the box of the REDARC Tow Pro Liberty, and this is EBRH-ACCNA. It's a real nice clean kit. Basically what you're going to see is this knob sticking out of the dash and the blank that is to the left of the steering column in the dash. But this will go behind the dash, and then the module will actually found a real nice spot that it actually pinches in really nice. The parts that we're going to use, as I mentioned, is the EBRH-ACCNA. Then the Quick Connect wiring kit, which is the TPH-013. And then the blank, which is, let's see, what is this? TSPI-001, and you can see it right back here, and this is what it looks like. Nice and clean, and it holds the module just like that. So let's get started on this. I'm going to pop out the blank. If you don't have any of these plastic trim piece tools, they're great to have. You can buy a set of them for about $5 on Amazon. So let's get started with this. So starting off, just going to put the dial into the blank and have a little nut here to screw on. And these things, you really don't even have to get them that tight. You know, I got a finger tight. That's all I'm worried about. And this is going to go into the blank. Let's go ahead and pop this blank out. Just take this trim piece behind the blank here. Oops. Pops out. And here we have a Cat 5 cable. Just plugs in the back. And I'm going to feed this through. Okay. Going to take this end here. Going to plug it into the control module. And then have the Honda Quick Connect unit, which goes right here. Make sure those are both in firm, which they are. I'm going to move the camera so we can show underneath the dash exactly where I'm going to put this. Okay, I've moved the seat all the way back so I could get underneath the dash. But up here in this corner, above the your OBD2 input, is the Quick Connect. So I will take this sure I have it right, and plug it in. It's a tight fit here with your hands. Get the plug in the right orientation. All right. All right, it's clicked in. And then what I'm gonna do is let me get off this cord here. It's right here is a really good spot for this module that I found. So I'm gonna get these wires out of the way. And yeah, pull this down a little bit. And that just pinches in there. Really nice. So then the only thing I have to do is make sure that I tie up these wires so they are out of my way and they don't come down and get into the brake line or brake pedal. Because that's just not a good thing. So put this up here. All right. So it really is as easy as that. I'm gonna move the camera again. All right, saw someone else do this, and it's just taking a socket to go on here and to push it in. And that is really freaking tight, I will tell you. Oh, there we go. Okay. And turn this all the way down to 0. And then line up 0, which is right here, up top. All right. There we have it. So really the only thing I have to do is I'm gonna zip tie these wires, and get those out of the way so they are not impeding my my driving, and then we're all set. But boy, I tell you what, that is just really nice and clean. All right, now that the brake controller is installed, the wires are all tucked up out of the way to not interfere with driving. You'll just go through the calibration process. That is something I recommend that you most definitely go through the manual. Actually, I recommend you go through the manual for everything, but this is just the way I installed it, and I like it. It's a very clean install. Hope this helps you out, and if it does, give me a thumbs up. And I just think it's the cleanest unit out there. I didn't want a big box in my way, and I'm looking forward to using it.